Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 26 June 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 23.5 points down move at the level of 11,769 levels. So what is the reason for this down move on SGX Nifty? US markets have done pretty bad for itself, 179.32 points down on Dow Jones, 120 points down on Nasdaq, and 27 points down on S&P. And it also says that Dow and S&P 500 record worst day in nearly a month. So this is one of the worst days in US markets where it has done pretty bad for itself. So seeing this cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, which is already in red, Indian markets will open in red to flat in today's pre-open and continued open session as well. Indian markets have delivered a great positivity yesterday. It closed at the level of 11,800 levels. It gave up all the gains in the beginning. It opened gap down. Though it opened gap down, it actually gave up all the gains which it had made in the beginning. However, it came all the way up and crossed the level of 11,771, which is a studious hurdle for the markets as of now. So that being said, Indian markets have closed in positive. However, it is likely that we will be negative for the whole of the day today, and it is a day before expiry, so the directional movement will play its moves today. So we will see that directional movement indicator will give us positive signals for us to make money in the market today. So if you are looking for that positive directional indicator, click on the first link in the description below. I'll teach you that strategy which actually makes 50 to 100% return in just one day, on the day of a day before expiry and on the day of expiry. So that is what I'll teach in the Nifty Intraday options trading course, which is happening next week. So that being said, so let's see what Indian markets has to offer in today's session. Slow stochastic and fast stochastic both were denoting there is a up move which is very much required as of now for the markets to go upwards, and slow stochastic is now at 25, fast stochastic is at 41, whereas yesterday it was somewhere around 15 and 20. So that's the reason we had a great move ahead of us. So MACD is suggesting there is not much of momentum in the market, it is negative yet. And what are the supports and resistances we have to watch out for now? So the first support comes at 11,771, which is likely to be captured before the pre-open session itself. So below that, the level of 11,750 levels and 11,743 levels, 11,716 levels, 11,700 levels, 11,694 levels, and 11,666 levels, 11,622 levels, and 11,600, 11,589, and 11,551 levels, and of course 11,500 are the supports we have to watch out for in today's session. So what are the resistances we have to watch out for? The first resistance comes at 11,800 and 11,826 levels, 11,853 levels, which is the all-time high. The previous all-time high Indian markets have clocked up to 11,853 to 11,860 levels, and 11,900, 11,926 levels, and 11,936 levels, and 11,975 levels. 11,963 of course is a very strong resistance for the market, and 11,000, 12,000 and 12,000 and 41 levels, 12,100 levels are the levels of resistances we have to watch out for in today's session and all the upcoming sessions as well. So that's the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for today and make a decent return on a daily basis, around 700 to 1500 rupees per day. If you want to make that return daily with an investment of just 30,000 rupees, click on the first link in the description below. I'll teach you 3 strategies plus 1 strategy which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.